you too. But I'm a teacher in a university in Espírito Santo. It's here from here, Rio de Janeiro. And I'm veterinarian. And I work with wildlife and wild animals, and I have people, volunteers, to work with these animals. We work with sea turtles, marmosets, cougars, and a lot of animals. And we need almost everything. We have almost everything we need to save some animals, but we don't need money. And I wonder if you and your foundation, or if you can, and your accessory, can help us to...
what is it that you need?
What?
Help what?
With money, with incentive, or with divulgação.
Well, I think it's definitely worth the conversation. I think we can talk over email.
Okay.
We can talk with the three of us.
Okay.
Really figure out a way to check out what needs to be done.
Okay.
And the other thing is too is incentivizing. I mean, wow, man, what I love is that I get to go to this place with you guys.
Okay.
You guys can come to this place, and you can incentivize it where we can get these guys hanging out with some cool people, working, learning about it. So we will talk. We'll get you information.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Her business card is being taken to you.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah. Look at that ISF team. Look at the jersey. That's so sweet.